Don't believe in luck, believe in hard work. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. In this video, I'm going to tell you all 10 unknown facts about a daughter of an auto driver who made an impossible dream possible. Yes, she is no other than VLCC Femina Miss India 2020 runner-up Manya Singh. So let's start. Number 1. From 4th standard till 10th, Manya's parents were only able to afford exam fees at Lohia Inter College, Sawa in Uttar Pradesh, and at one point, her mother was forced to sell her anklet to get her admission. Number 2. Manya was academically bright. In her class 10, she scored 80% and she received the Best Student Award in class 12. Number 3. Manya grew frustrated with the limited opportunities in her village. She ran away from home to Mumbai at the age of 14. Worried for their daughter, the Singh family packed bags and left for Mumbai immediately. Number 4. She faced lot of problems to survive and fulfill the basic needs such as food, shelter and clothes. She has spent numerous nights without food and sleep. Number 5. Manya started working as a dishwasher at Pizza Hut in Mumbai and also worked at a call center at night. And with her salary, she continued her studies. Number 6. She could not take grooming classes for Miss Uttar Pradesh beauty pageant due to her poor financial condition. She used to observe female models and learn catwalk through YouTube videos. Number 7. In the beginning, she had to face rejection because of her looks and English. She was once told that she does not have a nice face. Number 8. Manya auditioned for Campus Princess, a beauty pageant, for more than 10 times, but she could not clear the first round in any of them. Number 9. If she wanted to buy new clothes, then she would mop the floor at Pizza Place, so with that extra money, she can buy new clothes. Number 10. She has walked the ramp in many re-owned fashion shows like Times Fashion Week and Lakme Fashion Week. She has also worked as a model for print advertisements like Ahilya Fine Silver Jewels. Despite of all the financial conditions in her house and no strong background, Manya has set an example that your hard work can get you where you want to be. So this was the story of Manya Singh. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.